Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
The Lokayukta was set up during the Congress MUA government to ensure that there is transparency, there is the rule of law, and ensure that people can air their grievances to the Lokayukta. We implemented. We ensure that we have the Lokayukta.
No, what about the protest of the VPP? Do you support it?
Yeah, why not? Why not? Yeah, we support. If there's any issue concerning the interests of the state, we will always be with any party or any group that fights for justice. Nyaya. We are talking about justice here. Nyaya yatra. Bharat Joro Nyaya yatra.
So what do you think the government
Yet to get the exact reason why they were removed. We will have to find out why they were removed, because even members of the Lokayukta are human beings after all. Maybe they must have done something. We will find out. And if there was no reason, if for no reason they were removed, then we will also insist that they be reinstated. But we have to find out. Yeah.